up, y'all? This is your boy J Cruz, aka the Audio Cat, here with another day, another video. One of the questions that we always ask is what kind of cars can we add factory or factory style CarPlay Android Auto to. So pretty much anything out there we can add it. If you don't have it, we can definitely make it happen. We have a lot of different varieties, from Audi to Acuras to Mercedes-Benzes to Dodges to your Fords to your Toyotas to your Nissans. Anything, you can definitely hit us up. The link is in the description for the store. But we have a customer came in today. He's actually been a good customer. In fact, brought King the other day some treats. So I want to introduce you to him today, man. Tell everybody what your name is for the camera.
Patel.
Mr. Patel. Mr. Patel owns a Mercedes-Benz GL, which I'm going to introduce you to it now, and we will be installing the CarPlay. So let me go show you the vehicle and what it has. In fact, I'm going to have Josh bring it to the back and show you guys exactly what this process is like to be able to add CarPlay. Stay tuned. Cruise. So this is where we are right now. This is the Mercedes-Benz that we have, the Mercedes-Benz GL. It is the older body style GL. In fact, let me get you the year of this. I'm going to show you what it is. It is a GL 450. What year is this car, Josh? 2015 GL 450, and this is what the stock unit looks like. Because this is exactly what it's like right now. We're going to pop her on for y'all. Mercedes-Benz screen. It is the command center. That's what they call a Mercedes. And now we're going to begin the disassembling of the vehicle to be able to get that we need to get to install the module for CarPlay. So as you can tell right now in this vehicle, there is no CarPlay, just a standard radio with factory navigation. You can actually control it from down here. But this is what it's like, and now Josh is gonna rip it apart. The device here in my hands, I'm gonna take it to the computer, flash the software to it, and get it ready for installation. So the flashing of the software pretty much tells it what the unit's gonna be installed in and the features it's gonna have. I'll show y'all right now, hold on. So now I'm on the website here and I'm getting the software updated for it. Most common. I'm going to install the software to the device. It's updating the process. Once that's done, I hit OK. Update is complete. Now I'm going to go to my video settings. We're not going to use any of that. Video settings, factory rear camera. On this unit, you can also add a front camera, left camera, all that kind of stuff if you want to in there. But he doesn't have any of that, so it's going to be that. And the device settings, I want it to be Android Auto and CarPlay. Manual activation wire as reverse trigger. Put that as automatic. And then the Mercedes is done. Install and update that. Come here, update and process. Once that's updated, click complete. I'll verify my installation. And now I can give this module to, I can start the installation. Alright, now we got the device installed, and you can saw that the unit gets powered on. What it's gonna make you do at this point in time is pair to the device via Bluetooth, so it can marry your phone, and then it'll transfer all the data through Wi-Fi. So you have a Wi-Fi and a Bluetooth going in it, which gives you wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto on the device. I'll walk you through a little bit of how it works, but right now I'm just showing you guys the installation. We're about to pair a phone to this to show you how it works, and then you'll see how it goes on. Stay tuned. So right now we're using my son's iPhone to get paired to the device. I just put it in pairing mode, which I didn't show y'all, but I'll go back and show y'all. So I'll come back and show y'all. What you're gonna do is you're gonna come over here to the device. When you get there, you're gonna have this. You're gonna rotate it till you see the CarPlay right there. Let me move the screen up so you can see this a little bit better. So when you get to that setting in the bottom, you click on that. Then you're gonna move the knob over to get to settings over here. Then you're gonna go to wireless CarPlay. You're gonna come here for Discover and Connect, and now you're gonna look for that device. Once he gets that device paired up on his phone, then we'll be able to start seeing the stuff happen.
Why are you touching my knob?
Come on, Josh.
Well, it would have been working if you didn't click off of it. I gotta disconnect it. It says connect. Do the thing, man.
It hasn't paired yet. Always to the right. Settings. Delete it if it paired and redo it.
Oh my god.
No. We're past that.
There you go. See, I'm fixing it.
And just like that, CarPlay is on the screen. So now we'll do some testing of audio to make sure the audio is working, because sometimes you have to do other connections to it. But we'll be able to find out in a few seconds, and that's how the CarPlay gets done. Okay, so just like this, I'm gonna show you how the maps working on the bad boy. Apple CarPlay. You come down here, get all your features in there. You can come and look at more apps if you want to. And right now we're playing music in the background. As you can hear it there playing, I don't want to have too much copyright. But just like that, CarPlay is working, y'all. So on this GL, let me see something. Let me come here, come back here. I'll come into him here, like I'm changing the music. Oh, let me, BattleCat calling. No. We'll call you back, BattleCat.
Oh my god.
So right now I'm here. Let's see, I'm going to the next song. Y'all hear the changes a little bit. Just to let y'all see it working. Like that, CarPlay's done this Mercedes GL. So now I'm gonna get the car, put it together, show the customer what we did, how to work it, and we move on from here, y'all. So stay tuned. I think I forgot to show y'all what this even here in reverse. Watch factory that we got, because this is the factory mode. Boom. Now we're turning on the CarPlay mode by holding the back button here. Press and hold it. It'll activate that, and when you go to backup, you also retain your backup camera. But it does have the device. Keep the backup camera. You can add a front camera. You can add a blind spot monitor to the left, a blind spot to the right, and still work off the same screen. So pretty good device. We do them a lot. I love them. Been using them for years. And there's another one done. So let's talk to the customer. True. So now we back to factory. Everything there, as you can see, all the parts back in. AC controllers are working. We do a little test. Make sure things operating properly. We got that going. Let's go take off the device. And make sure the FM radios are working. And then turn on the device. Everything's good there. Josh, put it in reverse while we have it on the CarPlay, just so we can walk everything through. Boom, reverse. Perfect. Put it back in parking. Take it off of the device. Then turn on the device and put it in reverse. And just like that, all that's done. At the end of this deal here, I'm gonna show you what's going on. I got Mr. Patel. I met him earlier, so I'm gonna walk him through and show him how to use it and set up his device. Patel, to activate the device, you're gonna have a back button. You're gonna press and hold the back button. You hear a beep, now it gets you to here. I'm gonna set up your device because it's the first time. So I need to go to your Bluetooth settings on your phone and get this paired up for you real quick. So if you slide down right there, no, right. No, Wi-Fi. Bluetooth. Now you can just do this here, and then you can just hold the Bluetooth button. Paired in the device, and it can be looking for a device name, CT, boom, boom, boom. That's the device we're looking for. Right there. And once it gets connected, she'll do all the connections and mirroring of the device itself. All right, now let's go back. Come here to Android. Is there Wi-Fi on the phone? There you go, cool. Now we're in there. So I'm gonna come here and hit continue. Just hit the button down. Now you're in Android Auto. You got Android and iPhone. So let's say right now we're gonna come to the little dot in the corner that could be all your apps. So we can hit that there. And you can use all the apps that you have. It's like your text messages, YouTube Music, whatever you have there. When you want to come to Maps, you can actually just hit the bottom, like, you know, the little joystick go down, hit the little Google Maps, and now you're in the Maps. So it's telling you this is home. So we can just highlight the home if you want to, push it down, and she'll start navigating you home.
Head east toward Luke Street, then turn left
and
on
now you have
Luke
the
Street.
GPS working there. So that's how that works. Yeah, very easy. Then if you want to exit the navigation, it's just like on your screen, you hit the X. But wherever the highlight is and where you're at. Now, if you want to come down to the bottom bar, just press down here. And then just slide over here to the little thing, and that'll give you all of your... Here goes another cool thing. Watch. You hit this here. Where is the closest Starbucks? Oh, there. Then you come down here. Come back to your home screen. Hit the button again. And now you have all your Pandora. What do you use for music apps? Huh? Pandora. So they go and open up Pandora, and she should load all your stuff from your phone directly to the device. It takes a second. So there's all your music you have in there. You can press in, and you start hearing your music. And just like that, it's all done. You have everything there works. Let me go put this here back to volume and go back to play. Want to control your volumes? Everything there is done. Do you have any questions for me, Mr. Patel?
I'm just close by.
I know you're close in. You know what? The funny thing is that, how old are you, Mr. Patel? 60 years old. So I get a lot of older customers here at the shop. And it's funny he says he lives close because they always have technical questions, and I have no problem helping them out. So any questions you have, just come and see me. Now the best deal is if you want to, you can leave me the Mercedes-Benz today. Sure. Pick it up on Monday, because I'll go to Houston with it and go time with the family. Problem. You see, Mr. Patel would actually give me the car.
Just drop me at home.
Yeah, and I'm gonna tell you, man, he's actually been a customer of mine for a little while now. He would actually give me the car. I know that he trusts me, I trust him, but I wouldn't take his car because God forbid something happens to it.
Much better than my car.
No. This is how you're talking. Look at this room back there, Miss Patel. This is a Mercedes-Benz third row seats, and look how I'm laying back over here, Miss Patel. This is comfortable. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna end this video, man. Telling you always thank you guys for watching. Always thank y'all for the support. Before I end it, Miss Patel, what do you want to tell everybody today on YouTube? Nothing. Silence. Are you happy?
I'm very happy. That's why we are hanging here.
Now, I'm gonna end this video always telling y'all thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for the support. Y'all be good and God bless.